Here is your 500-word YouTube video script for UK Auto Car on the 2026 Ducson with exterior updates, performance, top speed, fuel average, and price. No scenes, no headings. Welcome back to UK Auto Car, your trusted place for the latest automotive reviews, news, and detailed breakdowns of the newest models hitting the market. Today we are taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Ducson, a bike that has already started turning heads with its bold design updates, sharp performance improvements, and practical efficiency. If you're thinking about upgrading to a powerful yet stylish ride in 2026, this review will help you decide whether the new Ducson deserves a place in your garage. Let's begin with what immediately stands out on the 2026 Ducson, the exterior. This year's model brings a noticeably aggressive and modernized appearance. Ducson has redesigned the front fascia with sleeker LED headlamps, giving the bike a sharper road presence both day and night. The body lines are cleaner and more aerodynamic, reducing wind resistance and giving riders a smoother, more stable experience at high speeds. The fuel tank has been reshaped for improved grip and rider comfort, while the updated side panels and tail section give the bike a premium, sporty feel. The 2026 model also introduces new color options and improved paint quality that enhances durability and long-term shine. Moving on to performance, the 2026 Ducson has received several mechanical refinements. The engine has been tuned for more responsive acceleration and smoother power delivery across all RPM ranges. Riders will immediately notice the improved throttle sensitivity, making the bike feel lively in the city and confident on the highway. The upgraded suspension system contributes to better handling, especially around corners, where the bike now feels more planted and secure. Braking performance has also been strengthened with more precise bite and shorter stopping distances, giving riders an added layer of confidence. One of the most exciting updates for enthusiasts is the maximum speed capability. The 2026 Ducson can now reach approximately 160 km/h, depending on riding conditions. This makes it a solid performer for riders who enjoy spirited highway rides without compromising stability. Despite its impressive speed potential, the bike still maintains a controlled and predictable ride feel, making it accessible even for less experienced riders. Fuel efficiency has always been a strong point for Ducson, and the 2026 version continues that tradition. The updated engine technology and lighter chassis contribute to an improved fuel average of around 32 to 35 km/L, depending on riding habits. This makes the Ducson not only powerful but also economical for daily commuting and long-distance travel. Finally, let's talk about price. The 2026 Ducson is expected to start around an affordable mid-range price point, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. The price may vary depending on region and optional features, but overall, Ducson has managed to maintain great value without compromising on quality, style, or performance. This concludes our review of the 2026 Ducson. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to UK Auto Car, and stay tuned for more reviews of the latest bikes and cars hitting the market. Thanks for watching.